Hello. If you are looking to scale up or start your vegetable salad cheese processing business, then these machines might be interesting for you. Let's try them out. In approximately 3 minutes, we have cut these cabbages, so we will process further the coleslaw salads from them. We will slice onions. Now we will change the blade and cut carrots in julienne sticks. Now it will take about 2 to 5 minutes to mix the salads together. We will continue to work, but you can get more information and quotation on the link in the description.